In this lesson, you will learn the following. This lesson is based on the following business scenario.
Even though you generally work with one specific area in SAP, for example, you are an accountant and work only in the financial accounting application, it is important to understand what other modules exist in SAP and what the basic business function of each of these modules is.
The standard SAP system includes many different modules, with each module having a specific purpose and functionality. The SAP system includes a complete Office application that allows you to send and receive emails, schedule appointments, reserve conference rooms, and much more. One of the most important functions of the SAP Office is called the SAP Business Workplace. Here you can access emails, messages, and workflow tasks that have been assigned to you. On the left, you can see a menu tree with all the options for your workplace. As you can see, there are no messages in your inbox. Close the Office folder. Now let's move on to the accounting area of the SAP system. This is one of the major functions within SAP, and it includes many different modules. Let's take a few moments to review the most important modules listed under the SAP Accounting folder. Open the Financial Accounting folder. Notice that the Financial Accounting module includes many different submodules, such as General Ledger, Accounts Receivable, Accounts Payable, Fixed Assets, as well as many others. Close the Financial Accounting folder. Another important module is the Controlling module, otherwise known as the CO module. Take a moment now to familiarize yourself with the various submodules contained within the CO module. Close the Controlling folder. Now open the Enterprise Controlling folder. The Enterprise Controlling area in SAP provides additional CO-related functions. Now close the Enterprise Controlling folder. The accounting area in SAP includes many other modules shown in this menu tree. Now close the accounting folder.
Another major component in SAP is the logistics area. It includes many important modules, some of which we will take a closer look at now.
Some of the most important modules within the logistics area are as follows. The Materials Management module, also known as the MM module, also includes many important submodules. Please take a moment now to review. Now close the Materials Management folder. Another important module in the logistics area is the Sales and Distribution module. The Sales and Distribution module, which is also called the SD module, includes many important functions in SAP. Now close the Sales and Distribution folder. Now take a moment to review the SAP Logistics area. Now close the Logistics folder. The next major module in SAP we want to take a look at is the Human Resources module. The Human Resources module includes many important SAP HR components. Now close the Human Resources folder. All of the modules we have covered so far have their own reporting functions. The standard SAP system provides hundreds of reports for each module. As you can see, the Information Systems folder is organized by functional area. In other words, there is a folder related to each module under which you can access the corresponding reports. Now close the Information Systems folder. Good job, you are almost done. Now open the Tools folder. Take a moment now to familiarize yourself with the Tools folder of the SAP system. Now close the Tools folder. Well done! You have learned about SAP's main modules and their corresponding functions. Now you should be able to locate them on the menu tree and explain their basic features.